I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
Hello guys, welcome back to my next video about the JBL. In this video I'm gonna show you the sound test of the JBL 3.1 soundbar. So to do this, and this is already plugging, this is switching, and it is standing on the standby position because the orange color is just on. So it indicates the system is under the standby position. To power the on, you can press the power button, or you can press from remote control is the power button. So hit the power button. It is on. Now it's on, loading. I did run on the USB button. This USB is on, and now I am now you can see the inner, just beneath the vibrate the woofer, you can see. So now I'm gonna go ahead the next sound. So press to play it again, and just play the enjoy the hybrid mode. I hope you enjoy this video and it may helpful for you for purchasing before purchasing your loving the JBL 3.1. So if you have any question, please leave your comment underneath the comment box. So very thanks for watching. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.